Okay, people. I am not wearing any makeup as you can see, but that is because I will be doing my makeup tutorial that people have been asking for on how I do my eyeliner. And I do it two different ways. I do the cat eyeliner some days, and sometimes I do fishtail eyeliner. So that's what I call it. And I will show you how to do both of those. So, first of all, this foundation. I don't put it all over my face because I don't like the feeling of the pancake. I do put it on my eyes though because it helps my makeup stay on a little bit longer and it just looks a little bit better. Because I get really dark circles when I don't sleep. I don't sleep frequently. Sleep squares. So, and this stuff is really potent. Just get like a dot of it and just get this on here. Put it all over the top eyelid and down on the bottom until it's completely blending in with your skin tone. And this kind of foundation that I have is made specifically for my skin color, so if you might want to do that. So shouldn't use, like, if you're really tan, don't use somebody else's eyeliner like this color because you'll look like a freaking vampire. It won't be pretty either. No. I had a brush for this, but it happened to break, so I'm improvising with my finger at the moment, as you can see. Alright, if I keep looking up, sorry, that's where my mirror is. Okay, this is my eyeliner. Hold on, where's the front? NYC liquid eyeliner. Now, for cat's eye eyeliner and fish eyeliner, it's better to use liquid or gel because pencil's very light and it doesn't really work that well. If you get like a gel pencil, it works alright. But let's see if I can use the camera. Pardon my music if you don't like this song. I happen to like this song. Okay, now. A little bit more on here. Just a tiny brush. Okay, see? With one side done. I have issues with getting both sides even. I just do. Alrighty. Let me get a little bit more on here. And I have a slight issue too. This eye looks smaller because I don't know, it's hard to explain. I've got a different kind of fold here on my eyelid, so this one looks a little bit smaller. So I have an issue with the cat's eyeliner that way sometimes. So you may notice it, you may not. And in some situations, it's better to have your eye open when you're doing this. Now I know a lot of people use Scotch tape, like they put it right here when they're using cat's eyeliner. But I don't really like, I don't use that. I don't like the way it looks. I like to depend on my own hand to do things. And if I mess up, I just try it again. That's life for you. See? Dang, I don't know if you can hear the wind outside. It's freaking ghostly. For real. Now, you can leave it like this without any on the bottom. Or, you can go on the bottom and just put a little bit right there. I like to put some down here just because it looks just a little bit better for me in my case. This one looks a little bit shorter, which I think it is. I just need to, if it's uneven, just even it out. If you make a mistake, then just fix it. It's not super hard. That is what she said. It's kind of weak. Yeah, so first one, cat's eyeliner. That is my cell phone. That would be Castiel from Supernatural. Excuse that. Okay. Anyways, continuing on, I'll show you how to do the fishtail one. And it's pretty easy. You kind of copy what you did before, but you put another wing right down here, and I'll show you. You might want to draw the outline of the other wing first before you actually attempt to draw the wing. Don't make it like huge like I just did. That was, well, that's not bad. I just gotta fix it. Uno momento, my friends. Do. Okay. Shut up, phone. Okay. I'm sorry. Let's try that again. I have obnoxious ringtones. Now. There. See? Now if one wing happens to be longer than the other, just make the other one longer so it matches. Or shorten one. See? This looks really good if you have glasses. Looks very nice behind glasses. I'll fix the other one now. Both of these take a little bit of practice to get right, to be kind of precise with the eyeliner. Oh, oopsie. Oopsie, that's my problem. This head looks a little darker. My lighting's kind of bad. There. And the last part of it we will do. See? Ta-da! It's not super duper hard. It's pretty easy. If you have the same eyes, like the same type of eyes that I do, it looks pretty good. Now, another thing. Do not make these longer than about this size, because if you do, it looks a little strange. I like this eyeliner because you can put mascara on if you want to. I usually don't, but you can, or you... English. I slept all day, I'm sorry. You can wear mascara or you can't. Either way, it still looks fine. Either way. If you want to or if you don't want to, do whatever. If you do put on mascara, I suggest that you curl your lashes or get fake ones. Because when the eyeliner is thick right here and my eyelashes are small. So if I curl them, you can actually see them, rather than if you just put mascara on without curling them or anything. Yeah, that's about it though. Bye.